How to record a video in cinematic mode in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera app, and here you can see the option cinematic. Then simply click on cinematic, and here you can select your video resolution HD, 4K and 30 and 24, and here you can adjust, and then you can record it. And go back to home screen and open photos library and open a video you can record, and click on info, and here you can check your video will be recorded in 4K and cinematic. So this is the way to record video in cinematic mode in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.